Alright, welcome to our tutorial on futures trading once again. Today we began our trading journey with the very first pair we are supposed to trade, which is order. Alright, so after analysis that I did on this very pair, and I dropped it this morning for us, and the order was set for an entry of 0.3573. So first off, what you will do if you are the one looking at this is when you open your futures aspect of this particular trading, the very first thing you need to do is to come to this place and search for the very pair that you want to trade. Okay, so right now I will be searching for it. As if this is my first time, I will search order. All right, so this is it in perpetual. So I will click it and it opens. So when it opens, the next thing that you must pay attention to is to ensure that it is in isolated. All right, if your own is in cross, please open this very triangle here, inverted triangle, and choose isolated and confirm it. It is very, very important. Okay, so the next thing you are to do is to set your leverage. I gave us to be able to mitigate our risk. I gave us to use 5x. So I am using 10x. You are not me. Please, you make use of 5x. So when you open it here, you use this very thing to push it down to 5, and you confirm it here. This is where you confirm it. When you confirm it here, it will show the way 10 is showing here for my own. So once that is done, the next you are going to be using the next you are going to be doing is to now place the trade. You come over to this place, remove whatever price that you see here, and impute the entry price that you were given. All right, in this case we are doing with 0.3573. You put it. When you put it and we are buying, mean we are going long on this project. So next you are gonna do, you click on this very open long. Okay, you click on what? Open long. But before you click on that very open long, you need to drag this very thing here. Since I am having 8 USD here, I will be needing to make use of $1 to do this. So let's assume that I want to enter this trade again, which I have entered. I will need to drag it. Okay, maybe I will need to use like 5%. You understand? I will need to use like 5%. So when I do that, you can see it is going to give me some estimate. I have in this very trade, I have the total amount of 82 USD for me to enter this trade. But here I am making use of 0.36 as leverage. I can actually increase it to like 10. You understand? But you remember that whatever thing I'm doing here is reflecting because I am making use of 10. But let me change it to 5 so that you will be seeing how it will be displaying for you. I just change it to 5 right now. Okay, so I have changed it to 5. So I'm going to be changing it back. Quite all right, because as I change it to 5 is affecting the margin rate that I have here right now. So I'm gonna be changing it to that. So right now, if I choose 10% of my trading amount, okay, all right. So next thing I will click on this, but it's not gonna really go on for me because of what okay, I'm coming, has been modified. Okay, so now, so if I go click on long, it's going to actually open because I have already have an order going on 10x leverage. That's why it couldn't go without my 5x leverage. That was what happened. But you can see as I change it back to 10x leverage, it is displaying this thing again. So as it's displaying it, you can confirm here, this is the price you want to enter, this is the amount you want to enter with. Are you getting it? Okay, now this is the leverage. This margin you use, this is the money from your own account, but this is what it will be trading for you. 0.363 is what you can afford to lose from your own account. So if this trade goes well, you hit your profit with some cents entering into your account. But if it doesn't go well, you are gonna be actually be liquidated with this very 0.3 something. Are you getting it now? So you can see that once the price, because we want to long this project, once the price goes below, if it doesn't go in a direction and it goes below and touches 0.29363, we will be liquidated. Are you getting it now? But here we are longing, we are still in profit right now for those who have taken the trade so far. So I've changed it back to 10 right now. I don't know whether it's, the thing has not really reflected in my trade here. It has not reflected. It's supposed to have changed here. I was not supposed to adjust that very moment. I used to measure the risk. No, there's no problem. Yeah, I was not supposed to change it that very moment. Now I told you that anytime your trade is in profit, and I told you to send your PNL card. This is where you need to click. So you click here. When you click there, you can be able to download it and send to the group for everybody to see. Okay, this particular margin ratio is supposed to be 10 for my own. It was 10 initially, but right now it is 5. It's because I changed it in the middle of the trade, which is not supposed to be done. So this is how to take your trade. And after that, to set the stop loss right now, you click on this particular TP and SL. So I will click on it since the trade has executed. So right now we are giving the take profit to be 0.4155. Are you getting it right now? So I have imputed it. This is the percentage it is going to return for me, and we are giving 0.3429 for our stop loss. That's what we are giving. Okay. So right now, if this trade goes well, I will be making extra $2 dollars. Are you getting it? That is if it goes well, like if he hits that our TP without we saying, okay, let us close it at the middle of the road. It will give me this amount of money. But if it doesn't go well and goes to hit my stop loss, I will be losing 0.576 USD. Are you getting it here? So this is how this thing goes. The next now I'm gonna click on confirm to confirm it that I have logged it in. So even if I am not around, this trade can still be going for me. Are you getting it now? So that is how this whole thing works. Okay, so see you on the next one. Thank you very much.